Welcome back, class. As we all know, we are in the phase of lockdown, and this is the phase which has taught you all many things. And in this phase, बेटा, हमें एक और नया concept सीखना है apart from your mathematics. आप मुझे स्क्रीन पर नहीं देख पा रहे हो, सिर्फ एक ग्राफ बुक देख रहे हो, एक ग्राफ पेपर देख रहे हो और उसके राइट साइड पे रूल्ड पेपर देख रहे हो. द रीजन इज ग्राफ बुक के अंदर बेटा मेरा कोई काम नहीं है. That is, you don't have to look me or my face. You just have to pay attention on what is being written on the right hand side of the ruled paper and what am I going to explain in the video. Number one. Number two, all the students from standard 6th, 7th and 8th, that is all the three divisions of Rubina Academy Shikshan Sanstha are going to copy this notes in their graph book. और अगर 8th के पास ग्राफ बुक नहीं है, then I will be telling you what is the size that you have to buy from the stationery. In short, from standard 6 to 8, all the 5 divisions will copy each and every matter which you will be getting to know in the upcoming videos. So class, without wasting much time, let us begin with the session. आज बेटा हम जो सीखने जा रहे हैं, that is one of the finest chapter that you can ever get to learn, that is bar graph. First of all, one should know what is the meaning of graph. So on my right hand side, you can see points to remember are written. So the very first point says, a piece of paper which is green in color and has one square of 1 centimeter, their side are known as graph paper. That is, ये आपको graph paper दिखाई दे रहा है. It is green in color. एंड ऑन दिस पेपर आपको एक एक स्क्वायर दिखाई देगा. आप उस किसी भी एक स्क्वायर का मेजर कर लो, यू विल गेट 1 सेंटीमीटर ऑन ऑल द 4 साइड्स. This means that each box or each square on this paper is of 1 centimeter. So this paper is known as graph paper. What we call it as graph paper. Number 2. The vertical lines drawn on graph paper is known as y-axis. Now, it is vertical. C-A-L. Vertical. That is the standing line. Now, you can see this line which is going over here. So, this line is known as y-axis. Now, here it is written x, which is a writing error. Let me correct it. So here we will be writing y-axis, that is the standing line, and the sleeping line is known as x-axis. So the standing line जो आप देख रहे हो, जिसे हम vertical कहते हैं इंग्लिश में, this is known as y-axis, and the horizontal का मतलब क्या होता है? The line which is sleeping, that is horizontal line. The line which is in sleeping mode, that is this sleeping mode, it is known as y-axis. Is this thing clear? So the standing line, the vertical line is y-axis and the sleeping line is x-axis. और जहां पर ये y-axis और x-axis meet होते हैं ना बेटा, it is always denoted with capital O. O का मतलब होता है origin, that is point of origin. Is this thing clear? और O का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? From here, अगर आप ऊपर की तरह जाओगे, you will go upwards, तो आपको y axis मिलेगा. And from O, अगर आप right की तरफ जाओगे, तो आपको x axis मिलेगा. Secondly, जहां पर ये y axis और x axis meet होते हैं ना बेटा, प्रोट्रैक्टर रख के देख लेना, यहां पर 90 डिग्री आएगा. And what do you mean by 90 degree? That is, it is a right angle. Hence, यहाँ पे लिखा है the y-axis and the x-axis meet at an angle of 90 degree, which is as good as right angle. Fine. And the most important part, beta, is this. अगर आपने ये स्केल एक भी ग्राफ पेपर में नहीं बनाया ना, then without scale, graph is incomplete. ये स्केल क्या है बेटा? एकदम सिंपल सा काम करना है. आपको ये जो एक बॉक्स आप देखते हो ना, यू हैव टू लीव ओनली दिस वन बॉक्स, और यहां से 3 बॉक्स नीचे, दैट इज 3 सेंटीमीटर, एंड वहीं से 5 बॉक्सेस लेफ्ट में, दैट इज 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो 5 सेंटीमीटर बाय 3 सेंटीमीटर का एक रेक्टेंगल बनाना है. एंड आफ्टर मेकिंग दिस रेक्टेंगल, उसकी पहली लाइन पे लिखेंगे स्केल, दूसरी लाइन पे लिखेंगे 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू डैश, और तीसरी लाइन पे लिखेंगे ऑन द वाई एक्सिस. अगर आप खाली इतना भी बना के रेडी रखते हो अपनी एग्जाम के पेपर में, तो एनी टीचर विल गिव यू 1 मार्क आउट ऑफ 5 इन ग्राफ पेपर, बिकॉज 1 मार्क मिलता है वाई एक्सिस, एक्स एक्सिस, ओरिजिन, राइट एंगल और ये स्केल ड्रॉ करने का. Is this thing clear, class? So I am repeating my words. All the students from standard 6th AB, 7th AB and 8th standard, that is all the 3 standards, will copy each and every matter from this video onwards. So make sure कि आप सभी इस वीडियो को properly follow भी करेंगे and अच्छे से copy भी करेंगे. So class, meet you in the next video where we will be starting with 6th standard का simple bar graph. Then we will come to joint bar graph, and then we will come to subdivided bar graph. So how the things are working, that we will see one by one. So now I will leave this page as it is on the screen. You may copy the same and then please watch the very next video. Take care of your class. Thank you.